A bit of a dramatic night out kind of makeup. These lashes though, I really hate them. I don't like these lashes whatsoever. And I've got lipstick on my teeth. Hi angels, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to the family. We have got a lot of new angels here on my channel and I'm so excited to have you here. I post 2 videos a week, which is on a Monday and a Friday. And obviously I do makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel, so if that's something that really tickles your fancy, you feel like sticking around, I'd really love it if you hit this notification bell, hit the subscribe button, join the family, and yeah, that's basically it. It wasn't there when I went to bed last night, so either something's bit me or I've got a really bad cold sore coming on my lip. Jump straight into it. And I always moisturise my face because I've got dry skin, so I'm going to go in with the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm. I'm going to pop my hair out of the way with my ears. Lips are like hurting me right now. I'm going to pop a bit of lip balm on. This is the Be By Lip Plumper. So I'm going to just pop a little bit of this on. In with a Christian Breton eye gel. Since I bought this, I've been using it day and night and I absolutely love it. Sometimes with eye creams or eye gels, because my eyes are so sensitive, they tend to tingle or they tend to burn. This doesn't do that at all, so I absolutely am in love with it. I'm going to go in with the Cooling Refreshing Mist, the one that I got from Home Bargains for 89p. I absolutely love this. And then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Primer Spray. I've been loving using this. I've never used a primer spray before, but I've been absolutely loving using this because it's simple and easy. Just spritz it over your face and it's been working really well with me. I've got dry skin. Apparently someone who I know has got oily skin and it's not really good for them. So if you've got oily skin, maybe it won't work for you. But for us dry girl skins, it's been, well, for us girls with dry skin, it's worked really good for me. It's kept my makeup on for a good amount of time, so I'm going to be using this today. So to let that all settle into my skin, I'm going to start off with eyebrows and eyes and then go on to the face. Eyebrows today, guys, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Brow Expert pencil in Ebony, and I'm just going to whiz through this because this part's boring. Wow, they are some brows, so we're just going to quickly tidy them up. To set the brows, I'm going to use my PS Brow Gel. It's quite minging, it's gone all discoloured, but I'm going to use that anyway. It used to be clear, now it looks minging. I'm going to use my Conceal and Define by Revolution, and this one is in C.5, and I'm just going to carve the brows out, tidy them up a little bit. See, it just makes it, when you've like carved it out, it just makes it pop that little bit better. Look at me lot talking as if I know what I'm on about, guys. But if you are new to my channel, and we have had quite a few newbies join the channel, so hello, welcome to the family. But yeah, I'm not a makeup artist any way, shape or form, but I do have a passion for makeup. I've always had a passion for makeup and it's what makes me happy. To set that, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Perfect Colour mattifying powder from Primark. This one is in the shade Porcelain. So the eyeshadow palette I'm using is the one that I got from TK Maxx. I've done a haul using, and I've done a video using this palette, so I will link those videos up above and down below for you guys if you want to check them out. So the first brush I'm going to use is this little pink one from eBay, I think. I love my eBay brushes. This mustardy yellow, and pop that all into the crease as a transition shade. Just patting and then blending. taking it quite high up under the brow bone. I'm going to go into this kind of reddy brown colour. So the brush I'm going to be using is my Zoeva 223 Smoky Shader brush. Mostly keeping that to the outer part of the eye. Going in with that brush from before, I'm just going to blend over the top with no more additional product and just blend those colours in so there's no lines or anything. And I'm going to try and do a cut crease, so I might just I might just play some music over this because I'm going to concentrate a little bit, guys. So let's jump in. Using the conceal and define as before. Then I'm going to switch palettes and go into my Rude Cosmetics palette. This is the London Metropolis 14 colour palette, and I'm going to use a shimmer out of this one, and I'm going to go into this gold shimmer. I absolutely love this gold shimmer, and I'm just going to pop that all over the cut crease. I'm going to take my flick pen and try and do like that double liner. I don't know if it's going to work, but I will hold my breath. For lashes, I'm going to be using these ones from eBay, and these are in the style 3D 55. That's dry, and I'm just going to curl my lashes with my eyelash curlers from Primark. Pop on a little bit of e.l.f. mascara. This is just the Volume and Define in Jet Black. That's one eye done. I'm gonna go off camera, do the other eye, and I'll be right back, guys. That's kind of them both done. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using this little sponge today. Hopefully it's better than the other one that we used before. Seems a bit better. And I'm gonna be lazy, and I'm just gonna use my cooling spray to dampen it. Because I'm lazy. Straight into foundation. I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation, Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in F4. Absolutely love this foundation. As you can see, it's covered up this little situation. And the sponge is hard again, but it's bearable. It's not as hard as that other sponge that I used, the Moonstone sponge. It's not as hard as that, but it's not as soft as my Real Techniques. I love a Real Techniques sponge. I'm going to team it up with the Conceal and Define Concealer in 0.5. Not easy to use this sponge under the eyes. Try it on the lid there. No, I'm not a fan of this little sponge. Before I set everything, I'm going to be using the Revolution Liquid Highlighter Drops, and these are in Liquid Eternal. A bit around the high points of my cheeks, down my nose a little bit, on the Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin. I'm going to go in with my Larizzi contour stick, and I'm just going to contour, because I tend to try and contour when I'm going on a night out. think I've done too much of a bad job with my gorgeous George satin loose powder. I'm nearly running out of this stuff. I need to buy some more. Eyelashes. They're not the one, guys. They're not the one. Porcelain shade pressed powder from Primark. And I'm just going to set that all in place, and I'm just using dabbing motions, not swirling motions, because swirling motions can disturb your foundation. Absolutely love this since I bought it. I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in light, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics number 2 contour brush, and I'm just going to bronze up using that. And you want to keep your bronzer quite high up, or it will look like you've got a 5 o'clock shadow, and that ain't cute either. I'm in with my favourite blush, which is the Milani in Illuminoso. And I'm using a Juicy Couture brush. I got these from TK Maxx a while ago. Don't you just love blush? Let you into a little secret. This eye has turned out really nice. This eye, it's decided to play me, and it's like, girl, no, you're not ready for doing that kind of thing yet. But I'm gonna persevere. I'm gonna set it all in place with my vitamin E spray from Superdrug. This is a hydration mist, and I kid you not, it's a dupe for the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm absolutely in love with it. This is my 3rd bottle, and it really does keep your makeup on all day, girls. Just saying. And it's £3.99, not £20. Now, highlight. I'm gonna use the highlighter from Revolution, the strobe highlighter in Magnitude, and I've been loving this big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. This is their number 5 brush, and I love using it for highlighter. It's that perfect shape. I'm just going to swirl my brush around in that, swirl it in the lid, then swirl again and swirl it in the lid. Don't know why I do that, but I do. And then I'm just going to let the magic speak for itself. It's just stunning, girls and boys, it's stunning. I'm going to go into the mustardy colour, and I'm going to take this little pencil brush. No, I'm not. So indecisive, it's unbelievable. I'm going to take the Zoeva pencil brush and dip into that mustardy yellow. And I'm going to just run that across at the bottom of the lower lash line. I go into this greeny blue and pop that under there. It might not work, it might work, but we'll see. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that. In a clean pencil brush, I'm just going to go into this sparkly cream shade, and I'm going to pop that into the inner corner just to brighten it up a little bit in that inner corner. Yeah. I'm going to use my Natural Collection lip liner in Cinnamon, as I always do. I'm going for a really dark nude. So this is the Bella Paris Kiss Proof Lip Creme in Shell Brown, in Brown Shell. That's really dark. I don't know if I actually burnt my lips last night, coming to think of it. Can't remember if I burnt them on a cup of coffee. Oh my life. So now that's So now that's settled down a little bit and set, I'm going to go in with the Ultra Gloss Gloss from Lottie London. This is in collaboration with Imogen of Imagination, and this is in the shade B. So this is the final look, guys. I've gone with like the wet look kind of hairstyle that Kim Kardashian is literally pulling off to a T, and I'm just making a complete mess of it. So this is the final look, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching, and I love you all. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.